Fruit fanatics. Birds such as blackbirds and starlings are attracted to ripening fruits like cherries, peaches, and blueberries. They can munch on these fruits, causing damage and loss to gardeners who are looking forward to their harvest. Seed and seedling bandits. Birds can cause significant damage to gardens by stealing seeds and damaging seedlings. This behavior not only affects the growth of plants but also the aesthetics of ornamental gardens, as they may rip off berries, peck at plants, and shred leaves and petals. Pest control or pest creators. While birds are often hailed as natural pest controllers, some species can inadvertently become pests themselves. For example, pigeons, known for their large populations and big appetites, may feed on crops, fruits, and seeds, causing significant damage to plants.